must have access to the same amenities and opportunities to enable them acquire education that is not comparable to their peers, not only in Ghana, but globally as well. I do hope that Bokas would not be left waiting any longer. Finally, Madam Chairperson, let me appeal to all illegal miners to stay away from our school lands. But for our vigilance, there would likely be pigs all around the school. We cannot afford to compete with galamseyers for the attention of our students.
Thank you.
To the students and faculty of Bokas, congratulations on your 30th anniversary. I hope your golden jubilee sees us attain greater heights. As host of these August schools, the support of myself, my town will never win. Long live Bokas, long live Awiebo.